Listen to me. Now we are going to start exercise 11.3. It is given on page number 133 on your maths book. Maths book में ही करनी है ये भी. Page number 133, maths book.
Ma'am,
Okay.
today all exercise we have done in math book.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's because it is very easy. These exercises are very easy, so it's not needed. So we are going to start this exercise in maths book. Okay, chapter 11, this one, 11.3 ka A part. Now we are going to start the first 11.3 question A. Let me share the screen with you so that it will become easy for you to understand what we are doing. Question number A. I think this one. Photos. This one. Yeah. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Count the squares and find the area of the given figures. It is given this. Just let me see if the recording is running. Yeah. Count the squares and find the area of the given figure. What happened? First of all, look here. Abhi, I'll stop sharing. First of all, look here. Let me tell you what is going on. What happened is one square is given to you. Suppose this one square is given to you. It is of 1 centimeter. This side is of 1 centimeter. And this side is also 1 centimeter. Okay. So area of this square, area of a square is equals to, you will multiply, suppose one is this side and one is this side. It will be equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, which is equals to 1 ones are 1. और centimeter के ऊपर we will put a small square sign. This is known as छोटा सा 2 लगा देते हैं. Why? When centimeter is multiplied by centimeter, it will become centimeter square. It will become centimeter square. Centimeter को जब हम centimeter से multiply करेंगे, it will become centimeter square. Okay? और इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख देते हैं 1 SQCM. SQ is the short form of centimeter. You can write it in this way also. Okay, so this figure, this का area कितना होता है? Area of this square, you multiply this number, length, this is known as length, and this is known as breadth. So whenever we have to find the area, we'll multiply the length with the breadth. Okay, length is also 1 centimeter and breadth is also 1 centimeter. So 1 ones are 1. 1 centimeter square का आपका 1 square है. इस square का area कितना है? 1 centimeter square. बेटा आपके notebooks का नहीं हो भी होगा, then still we will say 1 square is of 1 centimeter square here in this question, the coming question. Okay, let me show you the question. What is the question now? So this is exercise 11.3, question number 1. Count the squares and find the area of the given figures if each square is 1 centimeter in length and breadth. आपको पता है, I hope you can see my video as well, है ना?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope you can see my video as well. दोनों चीजें देख रही होनी चाहिए साथ में. मेरी भी होगी और
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am, I can see.
Ma'am, I can see.
Okay, beta. Let me see. So that I can show you on board also as well as here also. You need both the things. So let me see. Is something option there? Sharing option.
But ma'am, your video is coming small.
How my video?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
just checking how to come like that. Half of the screen share, half of the screen. Basic, advanced, portion of screen, PowerPoint, virtual portion of the screen.
Ma'am, we do it ourselves.
And from second camera.
Ma'am, I have done this myself.
Let me check. Is there any option? Are you able to hear me? I don't know. There is no such rule that I can share half of my screen. So I hope you can see me as well as my small screen as well as here also. Okay, let me show you this one. So you have to count the figure. पता नहीं क्या आ रहा है ये. Don't know. Okay, so count the squares. Suppose this is the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9 squares. Okay, so we know the area of one square. Area of one square is 1 centimeter square. So area of one square कितना है? Area of the given figure, it's आपको length और breadth दे रखी है. See, if you can see my screen here, 1 centimeter आपको length दे रखी है और 1 centimeter आपको breadth दे रखी है. Okay, तो area of this one small square I'm talking about this square. ये सिर्फ इतना one, this one. I'm talking about this one small square. This one, इसका एरिया कितना होगा? इसका एरिया होगा आपका 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ऐसे ही इस फिगर में, फिगर 1 में there are 9 such squares. So area of 9 such squares is equals to how much?
Ma'am, 9
centimeter.
9 सेंटीमीटर नहीं, 9 सेंटीमीटर नहीं बेटा, 9 सेंटीमीटर लिखोगे आप और उसके ऊपर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट 9 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 9 सेंटीमीटर और स्क्वायर कैसे आता है? Let me check for square. Okay, I'll write it for you. Square के लिए you will put a small 2 sign over here. Centimeter square. Okay, like this. 9 centimeter square. Like this you have to do. Okay, now start doing it. Do the second one. Tell me the second one. हाँ बेटा. Yes, yes.
Means, for the example, in second one, there are total 5 blocks. So, ma'am, in the second one, answer should be 5 centimeters square.
Yes, yes. And we call this small 2 जो होता है ना बेटा, ये जो छोटा सा जो हमने 2 लगाया, this one, as you can see on my screen, ये जो छोटा सा 2 लगाया, that is known as square. Okay, 9 centimeters square. Okay. Third one 6 centimeter square. अपने आप count कर लो. One square, one box is of 1 centimeter square. So 6 boxes will be of 6 centimeter square. जल्दी से करो, complete it. It is very easy. I'll write the answers on board because centimeter square लगाना it's quite difficult. So I'll write here on the board.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So tell me what is the first answer? Tell me what is the first answer?
9 centimeter square. 9 centimeter square.
9 centimeter square. What is the second answer?
9 centimeters.
5 centimeter square.
5 centimeter square. What is the third answer?
Ma'am, 6 centimeters square.
Ma'am, 6 centimeter square.
What is the fourth answer?
Ma'am, 7 centimeters.
7 centimeter square.
7 centimeters.
Fifth one?
5 centimeters.
Ma'am, 5 centimeter square.
5 centimeters square.
Sorry.
And then 8 centimeters square.
Ma'am, 8 centimeter. Ma'am, 8 centimeter.
Okay, I'm going to show you the my board. What is it? Wait. Understood everyone? I hope everyone understood it. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you can do like this. 1, 2, 3. These are. This is.
Nine.
Ma'am, we will do B part also.
नहीं अभी बी पार्ट में बता रही हूँ. क्या हुआ इरा मेरम, क्या बोल रही हो बेटा?
Ma'am, can I do?
बेटा
Ma'am, can I do?
one small square is equals to 1 centimeter square. तो काउंट कर लो कितने नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स हैं, बस उसको सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर लगा दो आगे.
Ma'am, can I do B some part also?
इमाद क्या बोल रहे हो? नो इमाद, आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू. पहले मुझे पढ़ाने तो दो बेटा, तभी तो करोगे. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द बी पार्ट विद यू ऑल.
B part also like this.
Yes. No, not like this. Wait for a minute. I'm going to read it for you. Okay, B part is this one. Count the squares and find the area of the given figure. Each square is 1 centimeter in length and 1 centimeter in breadth. Yes, it is same as it is, But beta, see in the third one, I will teach you the third answer. I will teach you the third one. First आप कर लोगे, I know. Second आप कर लोगे, I know. Third वाले में देखो, पहले आप इसमें क्या देखोगे? First you will count total number of square. मतलब अगर आप देखो, let me start it. Let me show you. पहले आप full squaring वाले देख लोगे. बीच में कोई चिल्लाएगा नहीं, और कोई ओके ना कोई बोलेगा. Listen to me carefully. First you will count total number of squares. पूरे पूरे किसमें? 1, 2, 3, 4. अब बेटा ये भी ऑलमोस्ट 5 पूरा कंप्लीटेड ही है. 5, ये भी ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटेड है. 6, 7, 8. 8 तो ये हो गया आपके, ठीक है. 9, 10 ये भी फुली है ऑलमोस्ट. 11, 12. ओके, ये कंप्लीट हो गया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 तो कंप्लीट हुए. बेटा यू नो 2 halves makes 1. 2 halves makes 1. पता है नहीं पता है? तो अब मैं आपको हाफ वाला दिखा रही हूँ ब्राउन कलर से. मैं आपको हाफ वाला दिखा रही हूँ ब्राउन कलर से. हाफ ये रहा, हाफ ये रहा, हाफ ये रहा, हाफ ये रहा. अब 2, अब ये देखो, ये हाफ हुआ और ये भी हाफ हुआ. हाफ हाफ मेक्स 1. हाफ हाफ मेक्स 1. 12 ये हुआ. टोटल कितने हो गए? ये 13. हाउ मच इज इट? 13. इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली 13. 12 ओके 14 सॉरी. 12 अंदर हो गए थे, 13 ये वाला हुआ और 14 ये वाला हुआ. ठीक है. Let me change the color. Let me change the last 2 colors as green. This one as green. This one also green. Okay. दो brown वाले जो हो गए that makes 1 and दो green वाले जो हो गए that makes 1. Similarly in the fourth one में मैं आप pink वाले से मैं पहले full वाला बता रही हूँ आपको. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 तो full है बेटा आपके. 4 तो फुल हो गए. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी द हाफ हाफ वंस. हाफ वाले कितने हैं? ठीक है, हाफ वाले कितने हैं? 1, 2 मेक्स 1. 1 हो गया ये 1 और हाफ ये हो गया 1, 2, 4 ये हो गया और 2 ये हो गया 6.
The answer will be 6.
Yes, the answer is
6 centimeter square.
Yes, very good. Now do it. Start doing it. Start doing it and you will tell me the answers now. I'll write on the board.
Ma'am, I have done.
This is for question number A. And now I will write your question number B. Okay, tell me what is the answer of first one? What is the answer of first one?
Ma'am, 3 centimeter. Ma'am, 3 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Adrika, are you sure?
6 centimeter 2.
Are you Adrika?
6 centimeter 2.
Ma'am, sorry, 6.
Six.
Sorry, 6.
क्या हुआ?
Ma'am, 6 centimeter square.
और इजी क्या? Adrika,
Ma'am,
so
by
easy.
mistake.
Okay, I thought you were sleeping. You slept in between. Okay, Adrika. Second बताओ जल्दी से.
Ma'am, second one is 11
Ma'am,
centimeter.
11 centimeter square.
11 centimeters square. Very good. Third one.
Ma'am, 14 square.
Ma'am, 14 centimeter.
14 centimeter 6 square.
Okay, fourth one.
Ma'am, 6 centimeter square.
Fifth one.
Ma'am, 9 centimeter square. 9 centimeter square.
And sixth one.
12 centimeter square.
Sixth one.
Ma'am, 12.
12
centimeter square. Ma'am, 12 centimeter square.
Ma'am, 12 centimeter.
Okay, I'm going to show you the answers on my screen. Now, I hope all of you have seen this, understood it well. Understood it or not?
Ma'am, understood.
बाद में नहीं बोलना, मैंने stop sharing it, okay? That I have not understood. If you have not understood, tell me right now. If check your answers, everyone. Check your answers, everyone. You only told me yourself. Please switch off your mics. Iram, Barit, Zian, please switch off your mics. All of you have to sit idle. All of you have to sit idle. Sit idle. आराम से बैठो. Sit idle.
Ma'am,
please wait for 1 minute.
अरे Iram, please don't shout. Okay.
ma'am, our class has named pre-class.
Your name has what, Imad? What are you saying?
Ma'am, this last class named has as idle
Free
class.
class. Free class. अच्छा. अच्छा ईमान, ऐसा तो नहीं है बेटा. अभी देखो, अभी मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाने वाली हूँ. I'm going to teach you. किसने कहा नहीं है which is a free class? बस आराम से बैठ के देखो मैम क्या पढ़ा रही है. आराम से देखो बस तुम. फ्री क्लास तो नहीं है ईमान. तुम्हें लगता मैम तुम्हें फ्री होने देंगी? है ईमान? क्यों ईमान? तुम्हें लगता है मैं फ्री होने दे सकती हूँ? Do you feel that? अच्छा चलो ऐसे ही मजे मजे में रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चन बताते हैं. चलो एक पजल करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स डू वन पजल. पहले एक पजल करते हैं. लेट्स डू वन पजल. If this square is equals to 5, then what is the value of this square? बता
Ma'am,
दो.
I know it's too easy.
हाँ बता दो.
Ma'am, I know.
बताओ आद्रिका. बताओ आद्रिका.
Ma'am,
Easy है तो.
I'm turtle.
हाँ
Ma'am, we have to write it.
आद्रिका. नहीं.
And then
Wrong answer.
10.
Wrong
nine.
answer.
45.
बिल्कुल ही गलत है उत्सव.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Varan ठीक है.
started by third.
Varan good. लेकिन मैं okay, type your answers instead of sending, speaking and loud. Varan ठीक बता रहा है. Okay, good Varan.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Everything is written on the board, beta. Everything in the written on board.
Ma'am,
Please do read it. एक बार बेटा पूछने से पहले just read on board what is there.
Ma'am,
First
I-
correct answer. कैसे? How?
Ma'am, I have counted. Ma'am, I have counted all the squares,
Okay.
which I am finding.
Very good. But there is only one square I can see.
Ma'am, but in it there are many squares.
Okay. Can you tell me which one? He is correct. Actually, he is correct. Very good, Baran. Iram, can you tell me? Your second correct answer was Iram. हाँ बताओ. बेटा इरम धीरे बात करो. पहले इरम लिटिल स्लोली. बेटा बहुत दूर नहीं बैठे, सब सुन रहे तुम्हारी आवाज. चिल्लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आराम से बोलो. ओके.
ma'am, there are 14 squares in it, ma'am, because there is one square. In that there is many squares. Ma'am, I have to count that one square. And ma'am, the 4 squares in the bottom, ma'am, the 4 squares in the left and right side.
ठीक है इरम. देखो बेटा अभी तो इरम, अब मेरी बात सुनो. देखो कितने अच्छे से लग रहा है आप जब बोल रही हो. ठीक है. नो नीड टू शाउट ड्यूरिंग द क्लासेस. आप शाउट करते हो तो बहुत जोर से जाती है आवाज. यहाँ पर बहुत जोर से आती है. मैं अगर चिल्ला चिल्ला कर बोलने लगूंगी ना बेटा, आप लोगों के कान फट जाएंगे. Okay, so you don't need not to speak like that. They are also hearing you. All these people, they will just have pain in their ears. So ऐसे आपने बोला, कितना अच्छे से बोला. So next time भी आप ऐसे ही बोलने वाली हो. Okay, Ira?
Ma'am,
No need to
Ma'am,
shout.
can
Ma'am, ऐसे करके नहीं चिल्लाते हैं. Okay? You can speak once. हाँ, who is saying something?
ma'am, can you see my answer?
इमाद. नहीं इमाद गलत है. आद्रिका जौहरी अब ठीक है बेटा. Good. अब तो सबके ठीक
Ma'am,
आएंगे.
now I understand how we have to count.
Okay, now see what is there. Actually, it is given 5. पहले आपको it is also a part of reasoning. ये 5 कैसे दिया हुआ है? As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 squares तो ये रहे और 5th square ये रहा. तो total there are 5 squares. Now let me show you the squares in this one. देखो 9 तो छोटे छोटे स्क्वायर हो गए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 स्क्वायर्स तो स्मॉल वाले हो गए. ठीक है. नाउ 9 स्क्वायर स्मॉल वाले हो गए. अब 1 स्क्वायर इज ऑफ दीज 4 मेकिंग. एक स्क्वायर ये बन रहा है, ठीक है, 1. Now let me draw another square with the another color pen. 1, another square, 2 square ये हो गए, 2. फिर third square I'm making here with the again with the blue pen. Third square 3, and now I'm drawing the fourth square. Fourth square is this one. 4 squares हो गए, 4 squares हो गए. 9 तो ऑलरेडी छोटे वाले रहे, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, और 1 2 3 4 4 ये वाले हो गए, 4 स्मॉलेस्ट वन, स्मॉलर वन, ठीक है. 9 4 ये रहे. अब कितना बच रहा है, एक बड़ा वाला जो बचा है, द होल बिगर वन, 1 बिग वन. तो टोटल हो गया 9 1 10 and 4 14 square. So answer will be 14. Understood? Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And Divyanshu is there. Divyanshu, please बेटा वो आज work कर देना मुझको, okay? After by in the evening you can do Divyanshu. ठीक है Divyanshu, evening तक कर देना. Just wait a minute.
Ma'am, can you please?
Okay,
can
one
you
more
do some-
puzzle for you. One more puzzle for you. If 8 is equals to 17, 22 is equals to 45, 15 equals to 31, what is 20 equals to? आंसर यहाँ पे मैसेज बॉक्स में टाइप करना है. Very good, Dev. Very good, Barin. Anshuman, correct. Very good. Barin, Anshuman, Dev, correct है सबका. Very good, Om. इमाद थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग है बेटा. उत्सव, correct. Very good. Most of you answering it correctly. Others, Avera. Yes, this is the logic. You multiply this number by 2 or you can add this number. Both are same. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
my
Now
answer
let's get back to the area. आराम से बैठो तुम लोग. मैं तुमको area बताती हूँ क्या होता है. What is how to calculate the area? There are formulae. There are shapes. है ना? You know there are shapes. Yeah. You know this shape is known as. Now what? Tell me about the shapes. What this shape is known as? What this shape is known as?
Triangle.
This shape is known as
Triangle.
triangle. Very good. Okay. And what this shape is known as?
Square. Square.
And what this shape is known as?
Rectangle.
It is a rectangle. So beta, if this is a rectangle, I can show you an example of a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangular book. Okay. If you can see its front, if you see its 2D shape, 3D it is a cuboid, but in 2D shape it is a rectangle. Okay. If this is a rectangle, okay, so this thing it's known as its breadth and this is length. Sorry, this is known as its length. अभी ऐसे करा हुआ है तो ये length है और ये breadth होती है. This side is known as length और this side is as breadth. लेंथ ब्रेथ एक दूसरे में चेंज हो जाती है. अब बेटा जितनी ये लेंथ होगी उतनी ही इसके सामने वाली लेंथ होती है, और जितना ये ब्रेथ होती है उसकी ही उतने सामने वाली ये ब्रेथ होती है. ओके, सी लाइक दिस हियर, दिस इज नोन एज लेंथ, दिस इज नोन एज लेंथ एंड दिस इज नोन एज ब्रेथ.
Excuse me, ma'am.
First let me speak. No, not excused. Breadth ko we also say width. Breadth ko we also say the word width. This is the length and this is the breadth, or this is known as the width of a rectangle. Understood? Okay, this is a square. Square mein kya hota hai? It is also the length, it is also the breadth. This is the length and breadth. But in a square, the difference between the square and rectangle is that in rectangle, length and breadth are different. दे आर डिफरेंट। अच्छा, अगर ये लेंथ है तो ये लेंथ भी आपकी ये सेम होगी। अगर मान लो ये 3 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ आपने ड्रॉ की है तो रेक्टेंगल में ये भी आपको 3 सेंटीमीटर की ही ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी। ब्रेथ में अगर ये 5 सेंटीमीटर है तो इसके सामने वाली जो ये वाली साइड है इट विल ऑल्सो बी ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर। Understood?
Ma'am,
Square में first I said nobody will speak in between. Let me speak. Okay, as it is a square, you will ask the question. I'll give you time. First, let me speak. Okay, this is a square. Square की length भी होती है, breadth भी होती है, but the difference is इसकी length और breadth दोनों equal होती है. इसकी length और breadth दोनों equal होती है. They are of equal side. So that we call it as side. ये भी side है इसकी और ये side भी side है. There are 4 sides in the square and they all are equal. सारी sides equal होती हैं square में. So and triangle we learned in the chapter, previous chapter, triangles वाला जो chapter किया था हमने, we will learn about equilateral triangles here. Equilateral याद है? क्या होते हैं equilateral triangles?
Yes.
What are equilateral
Yes, ma'am.
triangles? Which have all sides
Which
equal.
equal side.
Equal sides. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about its area. अब इसका area कैसे calculate करते हैं? अभी मैंने आपको बताया था when we were doing square, I just multiplied 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So that means आप उसकी दोनों साइडों को multiply कर रहे थे. So similarly, the area of square is side multiplied by side. Okay. Now area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. आप लेंथ की मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे ब्रेथ से। अगर आपको ये एरिया निकालना है तो आप क्या करोगे, इसकी लेंथ को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे ब्रेथ से। You will multiply 3 centimeter by 5 centimeter. So area will be 15 centimeter square. Understood? If you have any doubt, we will discuss in the next period. We will discuss in the next period. If you are having any doubt, we'll discuss in the next period. Plus, I will explain this equilateral triangle and explain this more. And then we will start the exercise. Okay? Bye everyone. Enjoy your day.
Bye bye.